Hi there, welcome to the second part of the Kotobukiya Formula video. I was originally planning on talking about my painting process in this video, but I decided to try something new. Xenoblade Chronicles X, the game where the formula is originally from, has a very special place in my heart. I originally played the game on the Wii U and spent hundreds of hours playing it. I've never been a huge fan of open world games, but this game felt different. The world of Mira was teeming with dangerous creatures that made every inch of it feel unsafe. But at the same time, it was breathtakingly beautiful and full of secrets that were waiting to be uncovered. Exploring that world made me remember a feeling I haven't felt since I was a little kid. It was the kind of excitement a kid feels when he decides to go exploring a part of town that he isn't familiar with. The unknown is scary, but the fear turns into excitement as the world you know expands. That was the kind of game Xenoblade X was for me. It was a game about exploration. You start out on foot, exploring what you can. Later in the game, you unlock a robot that lets you explore more dangerous and harder to reach places. Eventually, you unlock flight and can explore every nook and cranny of the world. This was why I was a bit disappointed when the formula kit came without the flight pack, and it's why I decided to make it myself. I've been planning to do this project for a very long time, and when I heard the remake of the game was coming out, I felt a strong need to get to it. But tell you the truth, I may have been too ambitious with this project. Between all the grinding and sanding for the modifications and LED wiring, my motivation plummeted so much. By the time all the prep work was done, I just wanted to be done with this project. What's even funnier is that when I was ready to start painting, I realized I haven't even decided on the color scheme yet. Since color was not a main focus of this project, I ended up just borrowing one of my favorite color schemes from a mech next door. Finally getting to the painting felt good at first. Airbrushing always helps me relax and calm my mind, but a different kind of hell was waiting for me. You see, older Kotobukiya kits are not particularly good with color separation. This means so much masking. Another major focus of this project was LED. This is my second time adding LEDs, so I'm still very new to all this. I had no idea how difficult it was to create room for wires in such a small kit. I may have been too ambitious with the amount of LEDs I added. It was still a great learning experience, and I hope I will do better next time. Oh, and here's a fun side story. I dropped the formula while trying to get the final shot you see at the end of the video. The fall destroyed the modified action base that held much of the wiring for the power source, and also some of the wiring inside the formula. I had to take apart a good chunk of the kit to fix the wiring before I was able to take that final shot. Taking apart a painted kit while trying my best not to scratch the paint was quite a challenge. I hope I will never have to do that again. Anyways, I hope you enjoyed the rambling. Now please enjoy the completed formula with a flight pack.